How to check my ortel phone number in Germany. To check your ortel mobile phone number in Germany, you can use the following method. You can use USSD code from your ortel mobile phone. Typically, this code is star 135 H. After dialing, you receive message displaying your phone number. Check online account. If you have an online account with ortel mobile, you can log into your account on their website or through their mobile app. Once logged in, you should be able to see your phone number listed in your account. Detail contact customer service. You can call ortel mobile customer service at their hotline number. Representative should be able to assist retrieving your phone number. To customer service number for ortel mobile in Germany is 01768 88811321. Check your phone. Some phone all you check your own phone number through the setting. Mean look for about phone or similar option your phone setting. However, this method not always work with all device or network provider. Using this method, you should be able to easily find your mobile phone number in German.